Got it right here. Come here. Dude, come here, bud. Dude.
Hey, Danny.
Dude.
Hey, Danny.
I should have been giving bark.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Doesn't want you to pick up rocks.
Go get it.
He's gonna bark, isn't he? Bossy dog. Says my rock, my rock. Nico!
Look at another one.
What?
Get, dude.
Probably. I wasn't looking though. What did he do?
It looked like he ran straight first and ran head first into the hill and stopped because his hind legs came up off.
Oh, did he bump his head, you think?
I don't know.
Poor
It's just when he bit at the rock, it looked like he ran straight first in the hill.
Probably just looked like it, I'm sure.
Dude. Dude. Dude.
It actually snaps.
I want that rock. I want to get it.
I guess I better warn people, don't ever pick up a rock around my dog.
Right here, dude. Right here.
Aw, he wants to take a break, yeah. He thinks he's a tired little dog. Guess we'll turn it off.